Replacing the function key PCB for i-Kiosk 100 Plus. Unscrew all the screws to remove the back cover. Unscrew the screw and remove the core board from the MCU. Unplug all the connectors that are connected to the MCU. Unscrew all 5 screws that hold the MCU. Remove the flexi flat cable from the function key PCB. There are 4 screws mounting the LCD holder. Unscrew them to remove the LCD holder. Unplug the remaining flexi flat cable from the function key PCB. Unscrew all 3 screws holding the function key PCB. Remove the function key PCB and replace it with a new one. Tighten up all screws to hold the function key PCB onto the casing. Plug in the flexi flat cable back onto the function key PCB. Place the LCD holder and tighten the screws. Connect the flexi flat cable to the function key PCB. Place the MCU back to its original position. And tighten the 5 screws. Plug the connectors back to the MCU. Attach the core board family onto the MCU. And tighten the screw. Place the back cover and tighten the screws. Plug in the power connector and turn on the terminal to test it.
FingerTec, we make things easy.